That's unbelievable. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the channel. Today, after weeks or probably months of my children asking, I'm going to make the Dubai chocolate bar. And I'm going to make it as cheap and as fast as I can. I'm going to show you where I got the ingredients. I'm going to show you how I did it. I have got a confession to make. I've been in professional kitchens for 30 years and I've never tempered chocolate. This is the first time for me, so I know the method, I know the theory, should be okay. Let's jump in, let's do this together, let's cook. So let's kick off with the Dubai moulds. I got these on Amazon. I'm going to put the link down there below in the comments. And as well as the moulds, you're going to need a food thermometer to measure the temperature of the chocolate to get it nice and shiny. We're going to weigh out 270 grams of dark chocolate. We are then going to remove 70 grams, about 20%. We're then going to start gently warming up the chocolate to melt it. We're going to heat up the dark chocolate to about 45 to 50 degrees, but not over 50 degrees. Ideally you want a plastic bowl because a china bowl or a glass bowl is going to continue heating up the chocolate. So we're going to give it 20-second bursts just to make sure the chocolate doesn't overheat. Mixing it around continuously and checking the temperature to get it up to that 45 to 50 degrees. I'm changing bowls because the bowl was getting too hot. And now this is called seeding. We're going to add the cold chocolate to the hot chocolate to bring the temperature down to 28 centigrade. At this stage my chocolate went a little bit firm and stodgy. I think it might have had a little bit of moisture in it, but I kept it going down to 28C. And while that's cooling down, it's time to weigh out the white chocolate and test these strands of pastry I bought on Amazon. Okay, it's opened up. Let's give it a try before we put it into the chocolate. Pretty crunchy. This whole box, which has loads of pastry in it, cost me about £5 on Amazon, link down below. Now we're going to decorate the moulds with white chocolate. And let's check out the pistachio paste. I got this one because it's nice and bright green in the picture. Looks good, smells good. And now I'm just going to heat up the chocolate to 32 degrees over warm water just to get it nice and shiny and tempered. Looking good. And now we're going to carefully pour that into our moulds, and we just need to move that around so it coats the bottom and all four sides. To heat it up, I just got a pan of boiling water, took the pan of water off, left it for a moment, and then put the chocolate on top of that so it wasn't too hot. Now I'm scraping the edges just to give it a little tidy up, but not essential. And now I'm going to weigh out 120 grams of the pastry, and I'm going to add 150 grams of the pistachio paste, which is nearly the whole jar, 1 gram of sugar, and 130 grams of melted white chocolate. At this stage you could add 50 grams of double cream to give it that nice sloppy finish, but I want a firmer centre and a nice crunch. And now the chocolate moulds are set in the fridge, we're going to fill it up with a pistachio and pastry filling. These chocolate bars are famously luxurious and deep, so fill it right up to the top. And now I'm just going to use the back of a spoon and the pastry scraper just to flatten that top off so we get a nice flat finish on the chocolate when we seal it in. You should have enough chocolate left in the recipe, but if not, just melt a bit more chocolate if you're running short, just to coat that base. And now using the back of a spoon, we're just going to move that chocolate around to help coat the base. Use a scraper as well if you want to help flatten that off, but a chocolatier tip is to put a tray or a board underneath it carefully, lift it up, just drop it down carefully, and that flattens out the chocolate. And now the moment of truth. And now let's cut into it to see if we get that crunch. Looking good, now let's try and give it a snap. I'm pretty pleased with that. So here we go, that moment of truth. Has it got the crunch of a Dubai chocolate bar? Pretty crunchy. Oh my god, I don't believe it. That is just posh cornflake cake. Childhood memories rushing back, chocolatey, crispy, a little bit salty. Delicious, super tasty. I'm pretty impressed. Fast, easy. If you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it and as much as I did eating it, that's pretty special. Then you have to watch this video next.